Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's title is A Relaxing Weekend Conversation. In this video, you will listen to a calm and gentle conversation between two friends, Ken and Mina. They spend a quiet weekend together, walking slowly, visiting small places, and enjoying simple moments. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy listening. This video is perfect for listening while doing other things like relaxing, studying, or taking a break. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. Here is today's question. Where did they go first? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. By listening carefully and writing your thoughts in English, you can improve your English step by step. All right. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Good morning, Mina.
Morning, Ken. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I woke up late today. It feels so nice.
Me too. It's Saturday. We don't have any plans, right?
No, nothing. Just a free day. I like days like this.
Same here. Oh, look outside. The weather is so nice today.
You're right. The sky is blue. The sun is shining.
It's warm, too. Not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect weather. Do you want to go outside?
That sounds good. We can just walk around slowly.
Yeah, no need to hurry. Let's take our time.
Where should we go?
How about the river? It's quiet there.
Good idea. I like walking by the river.
Me too. Let's go when you're ready.
Okay. Give me 10 minutes.
Sure. Take your time. I'll wait here.
It's so nice here, isn't it?
It really is. Listen to the water. It's so peaceful.
I love that sound. It makes me feel calm.
The wind feels good too. It's gentle today.
Look at the sky. It's so clear.
Not a single cloud. Just blue everywhere.
Days like this are special. Everything feels right.
I agree. We don't need to do anything special.
Just walking is enough. Just being here is nice.
That's true. Sometimes simple things are the best.
Look at those birds over there.
They're flying so slowly. They look happy.
Everything feels slow today, in a good way.
No rush, no stress, just a quiet morning.
I wish every day could be like this.
That would be nice. But maybe that's why today feels special.
You're right. Let's enjoy it while we can.
Let's keep walking. There's more to see ahead.
Oh, look. There's a small shrine over there.
I've never noticed it before. It looks very old.
Should we go and see?
Sure, let's check it out.
It's so quiet here, almost like time stopped.
I know what you mean. It feels different from the city.
This place has been here for a long time, I think.
Probably. Look at these old trees. They're huge.
They must be very old too. I wonder how many years.
Maybe 100 years. Maybe more.
That's amazing. They've seen so many people come and go.
It makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah, everything here feels peaceful, like nothing changed.
I like places like this. They make me feel calm.
Me too. It's good to take a moment sometimes.
Just standing here feels nice. No need to rush.
Should we stay a little longer?
Let's stay for a bit, then we can keep walking. Hey, there's a small shop over there.
It looks old. I wonder what they sell.
Want to go inside and see?
Sure, it looks interesting. Look at all these old things. There's so much here.
I love the atmosphere. It feels warm somehow.
Yeah, everything here has a story, I think.
Look at these old cups. They're beautiful.
They are. I wonder how old they are.
The patterns are so detailed. People made these by hand.
That's true. Things were different back then.
I like looking at old things. They make me think about the past.
Same here. There's something special about them.
Should we buy something?
We don't have to. Just looking is fun too.
You're right. Let's just enjoy being here.
We can come back another time if we want. There's a bookstore down the street. Want to stop by?
Yeah, let's go. I haven't been to a bookstore in a while.
Me neither. It's nice to just look at books sometimes.
This place is quiet. I like it.
Bookstores always feel calm to me.
Me too. What kind of books do you like?
I like stories, novels mostly. How about you?
I read a lot of different things, but I like history books.
That's interesting. You can learn a lot from history.
Exactly. It's fun to read about the past.
Look at this book. The cover is beautiful.
It is. Do you want to read it?
Maybe. I'll think about it. Let me look at a few more.
Take your time. I'll look around too.
This is nice. No one is rushing us.
Yeah, we can stay as long as we want. I love weekends like this. So peaceful and slow.
Same. It's good to have time to just be.
Did you find anything interesting?
A few things, but I'm just enjoying looking for now.
Me too. Let's keep browsing a bit more. I'm getting a little hungry. How about you?
Me too. Should we get something to eat?
There's a food stand over there. They sell hot food.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
What do you want to try?
Maybe something warm. It's getting a bit cool now.
Good idea. How about this? It smells really good.
Yeah, it does. Let's get 2 of those.
Here you go. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. This is delicious.
Right? The taste is so good, and it's warm.
Perfect for a day like today.
Simple food like this is the best sometimes.
I agree. It doesn't have to be fancy to be good.
Exactly. Just good, warm food on a nice day.
I feel happy right now. This moment is nice.
Me too. It's the little things, you know?
Yeah, like eating together, like walking around slowly.
These are the moments that matter.
I'll remember today. It's been really nice.
Same here. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Shall we start heading home?
Yeah, let's go. It's getting late.
The sun is going down. Look at the sky.
It's beautiful. Orange and pink everywhere.
I love this time of day. Everything looks soft.
Me too. It's peaceful. The day is ending gently.
I'm a little tired, but in a good way.
Same. We walked a lot today.
But it was nice. We didn't rush anything.
That's what made it special. Just taking our time.
The river, the old shrine, that little shop.
The bookstore, the food, all of it was good.
Sometimes the best days are the simple ones.
I think so too. No big plans, just being together.
Thank you for today, Ken. I had a really good time.
Me too, Mina. It was a perfect day.
Should we do something next weekend too?
Sure. We don't have to plan it now, though.
You're right. Let's just see how we feel.
Sounds good. For now, let's just enjoy the walk home.
Yeah, look, the first stars are coming out.
They are. The day's ending, but it was a good one.
The best kind of Saturday.
Agreed. Let's go home. We can rest now.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this relaxing weekend story with Ken and Mina. Now let me ask today's question one more time. Where did they go first? The answer was in the conversation. Did you notice it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Practicing English output like this will help you remember words and expressions more naturally. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories for listening and shadowing practice. These stories are designed to help you learn English in a calm and stress-free way. I will continue uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Also, I recently started Super Thanks. If you enjoyed this video and would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much for listening until the end. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.